If you're running cold email for your commercial cleaning company and not getting any replies to your emails, it could potentially be because of your subject lines. Most cleaning businesses send cold emails with subject lines that scream, hey, I'm sending this to thousands of people in the area and you're one of them. Or, hey, I'm trying to sell you something. Open this email and you'll see what I'm trying to sell you. These are why your emails are getting ignored. Let me show you what I mean. These are real subject lines and cold emails that we've been seeing from cleaning companies. 1, red fire alarm. Free janitorial quote, book today, ! Top rated cleaning services for office and clinics. And click now for a free deep clean, ! They look like promotions, they feel like spam, that's why they're going to the promotions folder most likely, or going straight to the spam folder, and they're just not getting opened and they're not getting read. Now here's what actually works. We've tested hundreds of subject lines across thousands of cold emails for our cleaning clients. These are the ones that consistently help us drive the best results overall. Number 1, cleaning question. Number 2, question about your cleaning. Number 3, cleaning and city variable. So if you're a Seattle commercial cleaning company, cleaning in Seattle. 4, local cleaning. 5, cleaning estimate. Why these work so well? It's because they're between 1 to 4 words, no punctuation or little punctuation, no emojis, and it looks like it came from someone inside of their company or a friend, not a vendor. And it doesn't look like it's sent automatically to thousands of people and they're just one of them. But it's not just the subject line. The preview text, the first sentence of your email matters just as much. That's what shows up next to the subject line in the email inbox, so next or underneath. We use AI to generate what we call a poke the bear question. So this is a personalized question to their business or their role and what their business likely needs to have cleaned regularly. Here are a few examples that work great. So if we're emailing a dental office, you write, how do you stay on top of disinfection in your treatment rooms? If you're gonna be reaching out to a general contractor, do you already have a crew for post-construction cleanup? And then if you're emailing a commercial property management company, curious if you have a vendor for common area cleaning. These sound like real messages and the ones that actually get opens and get replies. That's how we help commercial cleaning companies book 10 to 40 quality walkthroughs every month using automated cold email at scale. So if your outreach isn't working, don't change your offer, check your subject line, see if you can fix it. Maybe that can dramatically increase your open rates and reply rates and help you grow your business a lot more with cold email. So if you want the full system, you can grab the free Gamma document link below in the description of this video, no opt-in required, or book a free strategy call, and we'll show you how many exclusive commercial leads we can likely get you in your service area each month. Thanks for watching. If you like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.